state employment policy.
The long-awaited pending demand of the local people of Byrnihat area for 4 decades was fulfilled today, when the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, laid a foundation stone for the upgradation of Byrnihat Primary Health Centre into Community Health Centre status. The foundation stone for the upgradation was laid by the Chief Minister in the function held today at BSA Playground, Lom Nong Rim, Byrnihat, in the presence of local MLA, Sosthenes Sotun, local MDC, Victor Rani, and the officials from the district amid large gathering of local people.
Health services will be delivered. Because we have started a pilot project which is going to be implemented from next week. Already the contract and all the work has been done. Work order has been given. Where we are going to digitize the entire patient record and the entire system of services that we're going to health services will provide from the CHC level all the way up to the district civil hospital.